Oh, g'day guys, how you going? The old mate Butch again. Alright, yes, found myself at Rotherham once again. Under the veranda of the Waters Cobb Cottage. Alright, famous house this. And we mow the lawns and stuff around here. Alright, but having lunch at the moment. Alright, out of the wind. But yeah, pretty famous house this, built in the 1880s. By a fellow by the name of John Waters, right, Irish fellow. Right, he was the fastest wool presser in the West, I reckon. Or the East. Anyway, I'll show you around later, but yeah, it's a nice place this. She's pretty quiet here today. Lovely. Anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch. Gonna join us?